solutions to these challenges, ensuring that our justice system is just, efficient, and accessible. And my lords, the first and the foremost, of course, is the issue of pendency and the delays in fixation of the cases. Despite the practice and procedure laws, my lord, we find that a lot of cases in which urgent hearing applications are filed are not fixed. So may I suggest that the Supreme Court rules provide for chamber hearings of stay matters, and I think it is about time that the practice postulated by the rules may be reintroduced in the system. The concept of chamber hearing needs to be revived with urgency. There are numerous matters of critical importance that remain pending due to non-fixation, leading to significant distress for the litigants involved. For example, last year alone, the delay in hearing urgent cases increased by over 30%, underscoring the need for this revival. Prompt hearing of these cases will respect the rights of the litigants to a timely resolution of their legal issues. Number two is the preparation of the cause list. The current practice of preparing cause list has room for improvement. We propose that cause list be prepared on a monthly or at least fortnightly basis. This measure will provide lawyers with necessary time to arrange their schedules more effectively, ensuring that their commitments in various high courts are not compromised. This change is projected to reduce scheduling conflict by up to 25%, enhancing the overall efficiency of our legal system. Acceleration of digitization. The digitization of the filing process and the acquisition of certified copies online must be expedited. And I must take advantage of Justice Yahya Afridi's presence here, who in Peshawar, I believe, the whole system is now digitized. And I really believe that the Supreme Court can follow that model to expedite and enhance its capacity to issue certified copies in a more prompt manner. The adoption of digital tools will streamline administrative processes, reduce paperwork, and make our judicial system more accessible to the public. This step towards modernization is crucial in keeping pace with the global technological advancements and in making our judiciary more transparent and accountable. Then, my lord, we come to the video link facilities. To further enhance access to justice, the extension of video link facilities to all principal seats and benches of the High Courts is imperative. This technology enables lawyers to represent their clients in the Supreme Court without the need to be physically present, which is particularly beneficial for those practicing in different regions. This not only saves time and resources, but also ensures that legal representation is not hindered by geographical constraints. Then is the matter of judicial appointments. The delay in appointment of judges, especially in the high courts like the Lahore High Court, where more than 25 vacancies exist, is a matter of grave concern. It is essential that these vacancies be filled expeditiously to prevent a backlog of cases and to ensure the judiciary can function efficiently. The process of appointing judges must be transparent, merit-based, and free from political influence to maintain the integrity and independence of the judiciary. Well, the Judicial Commission rules, I believe 13th is the date fixed already for the Judicial Commission to ponder over the rules, so I'll skip that. Then, my lord, is the most important thing for us as members of the Bar Association, and that is that the institutional unity of this court must be safeguarded, and it must be reflective in the court proceedings. And we again say with utmost respect our commands that the difference of opinion is a very healthy thing, but it must not encroach over the institutional unity and its representation to the public at large. And once the court appears to be divided on issues, the bar associations also get divided and the unity of the Bar Association is also compromised. We have seen this in the recent past, and we would request this Honorable Court to again assemble and have meetings on this issue so that the court proceedings do not reflect that there is no institutional unity. And it is hurting to us as the Bar Association, and we would request the honorable judges present here to please advert to this very important aspect of the matter. Then, my lord, is curtailing media influence. Again, this comes with the live streaming thing, and we would request this honorable court and all the honorable judges to be careful in making remarks and expressing their anger over the Bar Association members who appear before this court. That will help us all create a more congenial and a working environment. Then, my lord, lastly, this is figures that I have come across have to be brought to my lord's notice, particularly my lord the Chief Justice. In Islamabad, this honorable court performed and the pendency was brought to negative against 15,902 cases filed. 15,997 were decided. So the pendency was curtailed. Karachi also is more or less 100%, 948 cases filed, but 856 decided. The problem lies probably in Lahore, Peshawar, and Quetta. Lahore, 3,761 cases filed last year, and only 752 decided. Peshawar is more problematic, 1125 cases filed with 80 decided. Quetta, 529 to 177. This is probably the cause which is which has enhanced the pendency by 5,000 during the last year. So one way of doing it is that we provide a very adequate high definition quality video link and fix cases of Lahore and Quetta and Peshawar at the principal seat and require the lawyers there to appear and argue the cases from Lahore. This can be done. But unless we attend to these three stations, either by transmitting and sending benches to these branch registries or by enhancing our video link capabilities, we will not be able to advert to and curtail our dependency of the cases before this court, which is of course hurting. The apex court is the last hope for people. And we would request this honorable court to please attend to this very important aspect of it. I'm so grateful once again, sir. We, as Supreme Court Bar Association, reaffirm our commitment to judiciary, that it is not only respected for its independence and integrity, but is also renowned for its responsiveness and adaptability to the needs of the people it serves. Together with a shared vision and concerted effort, we can overcome the challenges before us and ensure that our judiciary remains a beacon of justice and a pillar of our democracy.